Hey there fellow programmers, in today's video we will explore the power of nesting control structures in C++. We'll focus on two popular options, nesting a switch case within another switch case and nesting an if-else statement within another if-else statement. By the end of this video you'll have a solid understanding of how to use these structures effectively in your programs. So let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the syntax of nesting a switch case within another switch case statement. The general syntax looks like this. Now let's dive into the syntax of nesting an if-else statement within another if-else statement. The structure is as follows. Let's move on to our examples. Here we have an example that demonstrates nesting a switch case within another switch case. Imagine we want to print a message based on the day of the week and the time. Here's how we can accomplish that. In this example, we used a nested switch case to determine the message based on both the day of the week and the time entered by the user. Depending on the day, we further check the time using another switch case. This way we can customize our output accordingly. Now let's explore an example that showcases nesting an if-else statement within another if-else. Suppose we want to calculate membership discounts based on a customer's age and membership duration. Here's the code for that. In this example, we nest if-else statement to determine the membership discounts based on both age and the membership duration. The nested if-else structure helps us apply different discount levels based on the conditions provided. That wraps our exploration of nesting control structures in C++. We've covered both nesting a switch case within another switch case and nesting an if-else statement within another if-else statement. Remember, choosing the right structure depends upon the specific requirements of your program. Experiment with different scenarios to find the most suitable approach for your projects. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy coding and see you in the next video.